This isn't just a van, it's a 400-watt solar-powered, all-wheel drive apartment that'll take you anywhere, and we're about to break down every inch of it. Let's start with what makes this Ford Transit actually capable of getting you off the beaten path. This is a 2024 Transit with the high roof configuration, but here's where it gets serious. Quigley all-wheel drive conversion with a lift kit and specialized front struts. No factory sway bar on the setup, which means this thing is built for terrain that would make a standard van turn around. You're looking at legitimate four-season, off-grid capability right out of the gate. And those method wheels aren't just for looks, they're wrapped in proper rubber that can handle whatever road, or lack of road, you point them at. The exterior setup continues that theme of serious adventure readiness. Up front, you've got a Westin HDX Grille Guard. That's not chrome decoration, that's actual protection for your front end when you're navigating tight trails or dealing with wildlife situations. The Gatorback mudflap kit with custom logos keeps road debris from destroying your paint and the undercarriage components. Speaking of protection, there's an e-brake actuator motor guard and rear bumper backup sensor guard combo installed. These are the details people skip and then regret when they're dealing with expensive repairs from rock strikes or trail damage. Now let's talk about the roof setup, because this is where the Transit really becomes a base camp. You've got the Rover Roof Rack specifically designed for the 148-inch wheelbase with perimeter lighting integrated. The solar panel system up there consists of two 200-watt panels, giving you 400 watts of charging capacity. That's feeding into an absolutely massive power system we'll get to in a minute. The Carefree Freedom Freestyle wall mount power awning extends almost 10 feet, giving you genuine outdoor living space. Push a button, and you've got shade and rain protection. This is a 12-volt system, so it's not taxing your house batteries significantly. And when you're parked up, those Rover running boards make entry and exit dramatically easier, especially when you're dealing with muddy boots or wet conditions. On the driver's side, there's a tire and ladder combo mount. This is smart design. Your spare tire is accessible but out of the way, and that ladder gives you roof access without needing to carry a separate unit or climb on your vehicle. The roof rack lighting means you can set up or break camp after dark without fumbling with headlamps. One detail that separates a well-built van from an amateur build: window covers. This has roll-left front cab magnetic window covers for privacy and temperature control. Now, let's get inside and talk about what makes this the RUNDLE 2.0 floor plan. The flooring is hydrogen marble, which gives you a clean, modern base. The laminate work throughout uses Hawaii blue, Arctic white, and mountain gray. These aren't random choices. They're creating a bright, spacious feeling without being too sterile or too colorful. The countertop is broad arrow bamboo, which brings warmth and a natural element without the maintenance headaches of real wood. The fabric selections are gray mix and med graphite. This is smart color theory, neutral enough to not get tired of, dark enough to hide the reality of van life, sophisticated enough to actually feel like a design space. Windows are critical in a van. This has 3 broad arrow curved windows in different sizes. These are positioned strategically for light, ventilation, and views without compromising privacy or creating security concerns. Curved windows also shed water better and have better aerodynamics than flat designs. Bug screens are installed on both the sliding door and the rear doors. The seating setup is a broad arrow bifold single seat in gray, 500 millimeters wide, with the Fenton seat kit specific to the Transit. This gives you comfortable seating that converts into sleeping space. The Stylo sliding support system, Lippert Roto rotating leg support, Star table leg version 8, and Jolly flip-up table arm create a modular table system. This table moves, rotates, adjusts height, and flips away completely. You can have a workspace, a dining area, then completely clear the floor space when you don't need it. The kitchen is compact but complete. The True Induction Mini Duo cooktop is a 2-burner induction system. Induction is faster, more efficient, safer, and cleaner than propane cooking. No open flames, no combustion byproducts, no heating up the entire van. The Vitrifrigo Slim 90 refrigerator runs on 12 or 24 volts with an external cooling unit, giving you 82 liters of refrigeration. That's a week plus of food for 2 people. This isn't a cooler you're constantly buying ice for. This is real refrigeration. The Torva 13 by 15-inch RV sink has a foldable faucet. When you're not using it, it folds down completely, giving you more counter space. The broad arrow bamboo countertop gives you legitimate food prep space. Water systems are straightforward but well executed. There's a 68-liter freshwater tank with a SureFlow water pump for pressurized water. The standard wide-neck canister is 19 liters for additional water storage. The toilet solution is a Clasana C1 with a round swivel base. This is a cassette-style toilet that's compact, manageable, and gives you genuine bathroom independence. No searching for public restrooms, no digging cat holes. You have a real toilet. So what do you actually have here? This is a 4-season, all-wheel drive, off-grid capable mobile living space with legitimate power independence, climate control, connectivity, and all the systems you need to live comfortably while traveling full-time or on extended adventures. The Quigley AWD conversion means you can access places other vans can't. The power system means you're not dependent on campground hookups or constantly running generators. The climate control means you can be comfortable in Nevada in August or Colorado in January. The build quality and component selection show this was built by people who actually use vans, not just build them. This isn't a weekend warrior van or a fair weather festival rig. This is a legitimate mobile base camp that'll take you anywhere and keep you comfortable and connected when you get there. The RUNDLE 2.0 floor plan maximizes space efficiency without feeling cramped. The color and material selections create a space that actually feels good to spend time in, and every system is proven, reliable, and reparable. That's the 2024 Ford Transit RUNDLE 2.0 build. A serious adventure vehicle for people who actually go places. Until next time, build smart, travel far, and make sure your systems actually work before you need them to. I'll see you in the next one.